Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Hello, hello. Good evening, good afternoon, good morning, depending on where you are watching from. This is my first video after a very long time. So I had taken a break, a very long break after I had my baby, and I had to take a break in order to concentrate on other things because it was very difficult for me having the baby, taking care of my other children, making YouTube videos, work, and every other thing. So I had to take a break. It's evening here. What time is it here? I am streaming live from Port Harcourt in Nigeria. So this is 8:49, almost 9 p.m. Let me know where you are chatting, where you are streaming from, while I go into details, letting you know my journey, what I have learned so far, and what I have not learned so far. So you can drop on the comment section, letting me know where you are watching from. So all this while I had to stop and concentrate on my baby. So now I am back. Say hi. He said, so now I am back. So as you all know, after having a baby, it's pretty much very difficult to immediately get back into things. I actually did come back to YouTube after giving birth to my baby, but it was very difficult for me. So I had to stop every other thing in order to concentrate because I was losing sleep. I couldn't just sleep well. I felt ill actually. That was part of the things that made me stop. Oh my goodness. Sorry guys. Sorry. Hello. So my baby sorry. Sorry. Oh, sorry. So guys, sorry about that. My baby fell down. So I had to take a lot of break in order to take care of him. Oh, sorry, and other siblings. So now he's a bit. Sorry. Sorry. It's okay. Sorry. So guys, as I was saying, during the time I was on break, I had to acquire some skills. I learned AI automation, cloud computing. Now you may be wondering why I learned all these skills. As you all know, if you are in the digital space, AI and cloud is the next big step, is the next big thing. So I had to. Oh, sorry. Oh, sorry. 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 So sorry, guys. That's motherhood. Sorry. He's tired and he fell down. Sorry, not really hard, but just a little fall. So, guys, sorry, sorry. So I learned AI automation and cloud engineering. I acquired these skills. Now, if you are in the digital space, if you're a tech person, you know that AI is the next big thing. In fact, every industry, every niche you are now, there is need for AI. And as someone that likes remote work, someone that loves tech, I'm very passionate about it. I had to train and in order to equip myself, because as it is very soon, it is not AI that will take your job, but those that have skills, those that have AI skills, those that can apply AI to whatever field they can do are the ones that will take our jobs very soon. So it is very important. I advise you, if you're a tech person, if you are in any field, just make sure you acquire the skill needed, the AI skill needed in that your field, because it is very, very important. So I ended up learning AI automation. Hi, okay, I can see someone saying hi. Joye, hi. Hi, welcome to my last. Hi, Joye. Hi, Zorolius. If I can't pronounce it, forgive me. Hi, Zorolius. Hi, welcome. I'm chatting from Port Harcourt, Nigeria. Where are you streaming from? I would like to know where you're streaming from. So, guys, like I told you, AI automation. You may be wondering, what is AI automation all about? Hi, Joy. Yes, I'm fine, and you? So, AI automation. You may be wondering what it's all about. AI automation is simply using AI tools to automate repeated tasks. For example, if if you work in a company where you had to manually, maybe people fill out form, you guys have a form, let's say it's a property management company, and you people have forms, you use forms, okay. People fill out your Google form in order to select and let you know what property they're interested, or you sell property. Hi Joey, thank you, I'm doing good, and you? Hope you are fine today. Joey, I'm fine. And you, where are you chatting from? Where are you streaming from? I'd like to know where you're streaming from. So, for instance, if your company, people are required to fill the form probably before they book an appointment or something. Now, before now, how you do it is that once they fill the form, you check your Google form. You in order to set an appointment, you might be required to call the person over the phone or send an email or something like that. These are done manually. But right now, in this age, AI does all of that for you. All you need to do is set up the process, okay? You set up the process in such a way that once a form is filled, there's a trigger. There's a trigger. You select the type of trigger you want. It could be when a form is filled or when a message is sent, there will be a trigger. Now, what is that trigger all about? Automatically, the AI will help you go to the form, scan through the form, get the phone number of those people. If their is by phone call or by email, AI will automatically scroll through the Google form, get the phone number of the person. Now AI makes calls. So for those of us that are into appointment setting and all of that, AI can make those appointments for you. So it's automatically, once a form is filled, goes to that form, gets the phone number, calls the person, and set up an appointment with that person. Or sometimes it could be, if your company's mode of setting an appointment is via email, AI will automatically scan through that form, get the email, information you want it to pass on to someone who fills the form. So AI would automatically get the person's email address from the form. Remember, there's a form field, which is an action that has taken place, and the trigger will automatically get the email address, send an email to that person. So you can see that it is replacing what usually is being done manually. You can see the work of AI, okay? So in this present age, it's AI will not take your job, but those who knows how to do it will take your job. So very soon, even as a virtual assistant, most companies now will be looking for virtual assistants with AI automation skills, or virtual assistants that knows how to use AI tools. So whatever field you are, AI, AI, artificial being information. They are being fed information, so they kind of take over repeated tasks. So you can say that even appointment setting, human beings are being replaced with AI. But if you know how to use this AI, if you know how to set up this workflow, you will not be replaced. So that's part of the reasons why I had to go into as a virtual assistant. I started learning AI automation, although I knew how to use CRM tools, but this time around this is AI tools. So when we're talking about these AI tools, example of these AI tools, you should be looking at what is called N8N, make.com. These are AI tools. These are smart platforms that you can use to automate workflows, that you can use to create good business workflows. N8N, as in N8N, is an AI tools that can automate workflows for you. Okay, so another example where AI is applicable, another example is if you're a project manager, as it is now, I'm telling you, AI will do all that you know how to do. Okay, AI will take over all of that and do it for you. Even AI now, in e-commerce, AI is very important, because before now, people may kind of visit your e-commerce website, fill out the form, and they have a link to send you a message on WhatsApp. And on WhatsApp, you converse with them. From WhatsApp, you converse with them, know what they want to probably buy or something like that. For those that are using WhatsApp as their end point. So now, on WhatsApp now, AI can automatically be embedded into that your WhatsApp. AI will answer the customer's queries. Every question that customer has, AI will answer it. So how it is being done in a simple form. So AIs are being fed with data. With this data, they can be able to do these jobs on their own. For example, if you have an e-commerce website that if you have an sorry guys, I'm just taking over myself. If you have an e-commerce website, or if you had done an advert on Facebook and you want people to be pulled to your website, to your WhatsApp, sorry, to your WhatsApp. Now you can do that, and while you are sleeping, AI is doing everything for you. Just get all your questions, the possible questions that customers may be asking, put it together, and you can create a chatbot. Yes, with AI now. Hi, if you are just joining, please let me know where you are chatting from. So this video, just a recap, this video is my first video after a break. I took a break after childbirth, so this is my first video in a very long while. I'm sorry if you had missed my content. If you had been among those that has been following me and you have missed my content, I'm so sorry. So now I'm just trying to let you know things that I've learned all the while that I have been absent. So while all this time I've been on break, I went into AI automation. I also went into cloud computing, because this is the next big thing. Cloud and AI automation, they are the next big thing. So as I was explaining AI automation, you can build a chatbot, and it will be in your WhatsApp, on a chatbot connected to your WhatsApp. What does this chatbot do? Someone comes from your Facebook ads and comes to your WhatsApp and lands on your WhatsApp. That chatbot can be triggered immediately a message is sent, or someone comes to your WhatsApp, lands on your WhatsApp. That chatbot will be triggered, asking the person, "How are you?" The person will be chatting as if he or she is chatting with a human being. The chatbot will be able to detect emotions. How are you? Respond back in whatever language that person kind of sent a message in. So that's one good thing about AI. AI is the bomb now. So you need to upgrade in whatever field you are, be it medicine, be it whatever field, accounting, AI, artificial intelligence. So I urge you to look at your field, what field you are in, if you are here, and I can maybe probably explain what what area AI can help in your field. So you can just leave a comment in the comment section, and I'll be able to explain what area or what field AI can do for you. So now, over to cloud computing. Like I told you guys, I also went into cloud computing. So in cloud computing, it's all about the cloud. Everything you are doing today, even this live streaming, it is saved in the cloud. Okay. So when we talk about cloud, it's simply like something saved in the internet. Okay. But that's not just what cloud is all about. Now, I've learned how systems like AWS, we have AWS, which is the largest cloud provider. We have AWS, we have Azure. These are companies that provide cloud services. So most of the websites you are seeing, my people, is hosted on either AWS, Azure, GCP, that's Google Cloud platform. Now, one thing I've learned about it is that I've come to understand how infrastructures, website example websites and so on are hosted on these platforms. So when we talk about cloud, we simply mean, let me just put it in a lay term, not literally internet, but just know that these are things that are saved in the internet. Okay. For example, um, for example, your Google Drive. I don't know if you've heard about Google Drive. If you have heard about Google Drive, it is saved in the cloud. It is cloud, it's a cloud platform, but these are just minimal manual cloud, provide services. These are the like little cloud services. Big companies, big tech companies just like AWS, they use Azure, they use GCP depending on the one that suits them. So what does cloud actually, in all, what does this cloud, how do we benefit from this cloud? What actually is the job of the cloud? Now let's go to data. Everything in this life is all about data. Facebook data uses data. WhatsApp, Instagram, data. When I talk about data, these are data is simply raw information. For example, have you wondered where your photos are saved? Facebook that you're using. Where do you think those your photos are? It is not stored in your local system, they are in the cloud. Okay. So when we talk about cloud, now there's what is called on-prem infrastructure, meaning, for example, if I have a storage device in my house where I store everything that I have, this is just a literal explanation, just a lay explanation. That thing is on-prem. Okay, it's in my premises, I can see it. Okay, I have my things saved in my local storage system. Now, if anything happens to that thing, my information, everything is gone. But with cloud, you save them in the cloud. Okay, so now you may be wondering, those how do they save these things in the cloud? Now you have to understand that AWS, GCP has what is called they have on-prem infrastructures. They have like there's what we call data center. There are data centers where they store these things. Okay, everything you are talking about the cloud has a physical, there's a physical infrastructure. Okay, so what they do is that they offer you a space in the cloud to save your things, your data, whatever it is. Through this is done through what is called a hypervisor. So what they literally do is that their physical equipment, that their data center, their data center where they store all of the information, they somehow through the cloud, through the internet, give you a storage space. Okay, so you don't see the data center, you don't go there. There are racks in the data center where all these things are stored, so you don't go there. All you do is they give you a provision through their platform online to register, store your information, store your websites, everything you use in your website, store your photos, store whatever it is you want to store, host whatever it is you want to host. I don't know if you understand. Do we have any question? If you are following me, do you have any question? You can drop in the comment section. And two, you can let me know what you want me to teach, what you want me to share about, what you want me to explain. from onwards regarding AI automation, cloud computing, virtual assistant. I still do virtual assistant. I still offer virtual assistant duties. Um, you can let me know what you would like me to talk about, what you would like me to break down for you. I'm best identifying in your pocket. You can let me know anything you want me to talk about, and I will do that. But as time goes on, I'm going to have structured videos, structured videos, and all of that. Okay, that we will be using moving forward. Okay, if you are just joining, let me know where you are streaming from. Okay, I would like to know where you are streaming from. Like I say, I'm streaming from Nigeria. I am a Nigerian. So I would like to know where you are coming from, where you are streaming from. So as I was saying, let me know in the comment section what you would like me to talk about, what you like me to teach or share in this channel. Remember that our virtual assistant training will be still be ongoing. If you are just joining for the first time, I usually teach virtual assistant skills. I have a boot camp where we have trainings for 3 weeks on this platform. So the first one after the break will be coming up next month, this December. So I hope you join and acquire virtual assistant skills. If you're looking for a side hustle, if you're looking for something to fetch you money, not not actually on the side, but if you're looking for something to fetch you money, this is good for you. This skill is good for you to acquire. It is going to help you. So just let me know in the comment section what you will like me to include in our upcoming videos, and also let me know where you are chatting from. Okay, if you're just joining, you're welcome. I'm just sharing. If you're just joining, you're welcome. Let me know where you're chatting from. If you have any questions, you can drop in the comment section. If you have any question regarding virtual assistant, AI automation, cloud computing, please put it in the comment section and I will answer you. I have pretty much introduced and like said the reason for this video. I've shared my journey with you. I've just given a recap of my journey into AI automation, cloud computing. So if you have any question regarding this field, please drop in the comment section and let me know where you are watching from. Thank you. Hello, if you are just joining, you're welcome. Please do well to subscribe to this channel and like. I've actually been on mute without knowing. So sorry about that. So if you are just joining, you are welcome. This is my first video after a long break. So during the time I was away, I learned AI automation, I learned cloud computing, I acquired these skills in order to help me step up, because the truth is that AI and cloud are the next big step. So these skills I've acquired, and the good thing is that I'm going to be sharing them with you here on this channel. So tomorrow, US, like Washington DC, that's the EST time, now should be by 3 p.m. So but now my time is 8 p.m. It's night time here, 8 p.m. West African time. I'm in Nigeria, so let me know where you are watching from. Do want to join us tomorrow by 8 p.m. Do want to drop your questions in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer any question you have regarding virtual assistants, AI automation, cloud computing. Just drop your questions here and I'll be glad to answer your questions, and let me know where you are watching. Please do what like, subscribe to this channel. Don't forget that, please. Hello, if you're just joining, you're welcome. So this is my first video after a long break. So moving forward, we are learning AI. If you want to learn how to use AI tools, please subscribe to this channel, hit the notification button, and do well to join us 8 p.m. tomorrow. We are going to be doing that, okay? If you're just joining, you're welcome. You're welcome. I'm just sharing my journey. I had shared my journey about my child putting to bed. Like I had my child last year, and I did come back to YouTube after like 3 months of childbirth, but along the line, I it was too much for me. I couldn't handle it. Having a baby, taking care of a newborn, and I have other kids. That's he's not my first. So I'm combining all of this, doing a YouTube channel, making videos, editing, and I have a job. I'm a remote worker. I'm a virtual assistant. I work as a virtual assistant, so I couldn't handle it. I had like a mental breakdown. So it was not easy on me, and I didn't have any help. There was no one staying with me as a help, so it was very difficult for me. So I had to stop, like, I had to shut down even my Facebook. I deleted them. I just deleted a lot of things, a lot of social media accounts so I can recover. And after that, in the process of my recovering, I started taking a course as well because I couldn't just be, I don't know how to put it. I do, but I needed to upgrade. So I started learning AI automations. I also learned, I finished a cloud computing course of 4 months and got certified. So these are the things, the knowledge I've acquired along the line. So I'll be adding this to what I teach, virtual assistant that I teach. So there's going to be a lot of knowledge for you. If you want to work remotely, if you're a remote worker, this is the best channel to join. In this channel, you can acquire different skills for working remotely. Okay, so if you're just joining, you're welcome. Let me know where you are chatting from, where you are watching from. So I'm seeing a couple of questions here. I just want to put my laptop stand. Um, it's kind of low for me. I sometimes have back ache. So this is my laptop stand. Trying to set it. Look at it. This is my laptop stand. So I'm trying to set it. I'm trying to. This is a laptop stand. My neck. I usually have this back neck pain. So I'm trying to elevate my keyboard. Like the laptop is a keyboard. So I'm trying to elevate it so I can type easily. See, it's elevated now. Can you see my keyboard? So actually, I am doing a bit of learning. I'm practicing. I'm trying to build a workflow. You can see my table. So that's my laptop. So while I still wait for your questions, let me continue in my workflow. But if you have a question, drop it. I'll answer you. Okay? Okay, so guys, I'm going to call it a day. So do well to join me tomorrow by 8 p.m. Tomorrow. I'll go live tomorrow too so that we can start because I have some questions. Someone has asked me what's this AI automation all about? What is AI all about? So tomorrow I'll be sharing with you how AI can benefit you in whatever area or field that you work with. So join me tomorrow by 8 p.m. West African time. So see you tomorrow. Bye bye.